Welcome to Eyeson. Today I'm going to show you how to switch among cameras and microphones during an Eyeson video call. Before entering a video meeting, Eyeson offers you a preview page, which allows you to check on your hardware devices. Here you can change your camera and microphone, or check your audio input and output quality. Furthermore, you can choose among the virtual backgrounds Eyeson offers, or you can upload a custom image as your virtual background. If your connection is flaky, you can join with the audio-only mode. These settings can also be found in an active video call in the left toolbar. Go to the More Options menu and click on Device Settings. Let's change the virtual background. If you face any problems along the way, you can start a quick test with your preferred setup. Eyeson checks your chosen settings and shows you if all features are available to you in your currently used browser. If something doesn't work as expected, you can send your error report directly via the support button to our support team, which will get back to you with more information on how to solve the issue. Enjoy your Eyeson video meetings! And if you have any questions, make sure to visit our help center and also leave us a comment.